brought the cameras? Is that why you brought them today? You didn't bring it before, you brought it today? Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. Show me. Show me where it says you can try me on a repeat law. I said, show me. Show me. Show me. No, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. I said, leave it. It's a court of law. I'm under trial. I'm under trial and I have to speak. I'm under trial and I have to speak. Listen to me. Listen to me, please. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. I'm under trial. And I must address the court. Wait. No, listen to me. Please. The judge must listen to me. No. Wait. I'm asking a very simple question. No. Wait. Please. Look, this is Supreme Court. Wait, hold on. This is Supreme Court here. Hold on a second. Hold on. I said, hold on. Please. This is not a court of law. It's not a court of law. What you're doing is not law. You don't know the law. Show me. I said, show me where you have the right to waive my right to final address. Show me. It's what the Constitution says. Show me. Show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me. You cannot show me because you don't know the law. You can't show me. Wait, hold on a second. Don't touch me. Don't you dare touch me. People who don't know law, show me where it says you can waive my right. Show me the place I'm asking you. Show me. Show me. Show me. Which law says you can try me an unwritten law? Show me. You cannot show me. And you're a judge. You claim you're a judge. You don't know law. You don't know law. Nonsense. Where is the final written address? Where is it? Which law gave you the right to waive my final written address? Which law gave you that right? Nonsense. You think I'm trying this with you? You try with me? You are mad. What's this one doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Ask me what are you doing here? This is Victor that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot that attacked me. That's the fool. Don't touch me. Don't push me. I'm going. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can waive my right to final address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are reporting you. You are writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you put it and you bring their job for them. God will punish you now and forever. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish. God will punish you now and forever. Criminals. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask him what to show. Where is the law? Where is the law?
Wọ́n ti ní kí Nnamdi Kanu kí ó máa lọ sí ẹ̀wọ̀n gbére kí ó sì máa fi takuntakun àti agbára àti gbogbo okun tó ní kó máa fi roko ọba. Ṣé ìdájọ́ yìí ṣé ìdájọ́ tó tọ́ àti ìyí tó yẹ ni? Ṣé àwọn ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n fi kan Nnamdi Kanu yìí ṣé ó tọ́ ṣé ó sì yẹ? Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà kí ni ń tẹ́ ẹ rí sọ sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Ìdájọ́ tí wọ́n dá fún Nnamdi Kanu yìí kí ni èròǹgbà tiyín?